If you want to hide indicator icons on the status bar on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then first of all we need to go to the Galaxy Store and we need to find the Good Luck app, and we need to of course download it. And this is the app that we're looking for, so install this app and open it once you have it on your phone. And here we should be able to find a bunch of different plugins that grant access to many different features and settings that are not available by default. So in this case, we need to find the Quick Start app, and we're going to use this arrow on the right side to install this plugin. Then scroll all the way to the top to find the Quick Start, and let's open it. We're going to turn this on, and in here we have the visibility of indicator icons. And here, as you can see, we have some system icons that we can easily toggle. So for example, if you want to, you can completely hide the battery icon, you can hide the Wi-Fi icon, and so on and so forth. So you can just go through this list and decide what icons should appear at the top and which icons should not be there. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.